I will compare all the techniques. So now we have seen PCM, DPCM, delta modulation, and then adaptive delta modulation. So now I will compare all these techniques. PCM, DPCM, delta modulation, adaptive delta modulation. What is the bandwidth? Then what is the noise present? For PCM, the bandwidth will be very, very high. Bandwidth is very, very high. In PCM, what is the noise present? Quantization noise. In PCM, what is the noise present? Quantization noise. In DPCM, we are having moderate bandwidth. Why? Because we are reducing the dynamic range. Okay, dynamic range, so that n can be reduced. So we will have moderate bandwidth, or for given bandwidth, we can transmit more data rate. Anything is okay. Then here also noise will be present. Noise may be less, but here also noise will be present. That noise is quantization noise. In delta modulation, definitely we will have very least bandwidth. Why? Because for one sample, I am sending only one bit per sample. So definitely it is least bandwidth as compared to PCM and DPCM. Here, what are all the noise present? Here we are having both granular and a slope overload error. Granular and slope overload error. Granular noise and then slope overload error. And then adaptive delta modulation, this is also least bandwidth. Okay, because bandwidth point of view, there will not be any change between delta modulation and then adaptive delta modulation. But mainly we are avoiding that noise, no noise here. Here we will not have granular noise or slope overload noise. And so completely we are avoiding the noise. So this is the simple comparison of all these technique: PCM, DPCM, delta modulation, and then adaptive